Are you an iPhone user who wants to know how to add a new email address? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add an additional email address quickly and easily. I'll guide you through the process from start to finish so that even if you're not tech savvy, you can follow along easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to add a new email address to your iPhone. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone, then scroll down a little bit and tap on Mail. After that, select Accounts. Once you are on this screen, you will see an option called Add Account, so go ahead and tap on Add Account. And now you have a bunch of options to choose from: iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, and other. So for example, I can tap on Google and simply type in the email address that I want to add, and I can tap Next and enter the password and follow the on-screen instructions to add the new email address to my iPhone. So if you have a custom email address, tap on Other, and then tap on the very first option, Add Mail Account. And now you can simply enter your name, email address, password, and a description. Once you fill out all of these things, tap Next, and it will ask you what the incoming and outgoing servers are. Most of the time, you can enter IMAP and SMTP as the servers, and you should be good to go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.